One pan vegan Treslacious cake. Yes, we are going to make it in a pan and serve it in the same pan. This cake is so moist and so delicious, you're going to love it. If you are thinking of making a cake for the holiday season, welcome and keep watching. For this cake, you would need a heavy bottom non-stick pan. Do not try this cake on regular frying pan or else the cake will just burn. Take a third cup of coconut butter and heat it on low heat. You can also take any other vegan butter of your choice. You need to gently melt the butter on low heat. Do not fry or smoke the butter. Swirl the melted butter around the pan. Think of this as greasing your cake tin. Remove the pan from the heat and cool it a bit. This is a one pan cake. You can skip the measuring cups by using a scale. Just be sure to adjust the scale every time. Add a fourth cup of sugar to the butter and cream it up. Do it using a whisker or a spatula. I have been cutting down on my sugar intake. You can go up to half cup of sugar for this recipe. Next goes in 1 flax egg. The recipe of the flax egg is in the description. Mix everything together and add a fourth cup of almond milk. Mix, mix, mix. And now it's time to mix the dry ingredients, which is a cup of almond flour with a pinch of salt and half teaspoon of baking soda. Add a teaspoon of vanilla essence. Mix while scraping the sides of the pan. The consistency of this cake batter would be a bit liquidy when compared to other cake batters. Cover the pan and cook on very low heat for about 20 minutes. It's crucial to check the cake after 15 minutes. This is not the time to be on Instagram. My cake took 20 minutes. Do a quick toothpick test on the cake. If the toothpick comes out clean, the cake has been cooked completely. Remove the pan from the heat. Keep it covered for some more time. The heat in the pan will gently finish cooking the cake. For the delicious Treslacious cake bath, we are going to take 4 tablespoons of condensed milk, a fourth cup of almond milk and a fourth cup of evaporated milk. Mix all these together with half teaspoon of vanilla essence. Gently scrape the side of the pan and loosen the cake a bit. Transfer the cake to a cooling rack and cool it completely before soaking it in the delicious bath. This is how the back of the cake would look. It has nicely browned but not burnt. This brown texture is going to give the cake a different nutty flavor. Return the cooled cake to the pan. At this point, I am going to poke holes on the cake. I am doing it using a toothpick and soak it up in the bath. Let it rest till all the flavors infuse and does the magic. This is the cake. It has absorbed all the liquid completely and it's moist and all set for the icing. I'm using my homemade vegan whipped cream frosting. If you would like to know how I created this frosting, let me know in the comment section and I'm going to create a separate video for that. Go creative with the frosting. I'm going to keep it really simple. I'm using some fresh strawberries here. I can't wait to dig into the cake. Let it sit in the fridge for a couple of hours before you enjoy the cake. If you have liked this video, do give me a thumbs up and do subscribe for more such videos. Look how beautiful this cake looks, and this is equally delicious. You would love it. This was easy to make. No cleanup, just a pan. Thank you so much for watching.